I thought I'd give a couple of quick little tips of things that I've learned. Probably everybody knows this except me. Um, this oil line that goes from the oil filter down to this little fitting behind the fuel pump down here is a pressure line that feeds oil up to the oil filter. Well, mine started to rub, the grommet came off. This little spot right here, the grommet came off and it started to rub and it started to leak a little bit. So I want to replace it. You could buy these from any of the vendors. I think one of these hoses is about 20 bucks from, or $22 from one of our regular vendors. But what I do is I just go down to my local hose shop in town, guys that make hydraulic hoses for heavy equipment and stuff, or sometimes a tractor place will do it or whatever, and I just have them make up a matching hose. This thing was $15, available locally. People got paid here in my town, so and I know it's a good product, and they made it right up as I waited. Okay. The second little tip is, in order to get this hose off, you have to remove the fuel pump down there, so the fuel pump's out. Getting the fuel pump out of these things, out of a L head or even an F head, is a pain in the neck because it's really tight down there. So what I have on my fuel pump are these little Allen head screws rather than a hex head screw. It's really hard to fit a socket, an extension in there. It can be done and everybody does it, but I like the fact that I can get a long Allen head socket or whatever and get down in here and tighten up these screws, and it's no problem at all. So that's my quick tips about the oil line from the oil filter and the screws on the fuel pump.